In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a saved form from history on desktop, Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you've filled out a form and don't want it showing up in your history, the quickest way to tidy things up is to remove it from the recent list. This doesn't delete the actual file from your computer or cloud storage, it simply clears the shortcut from Acrobat Reader's home screen, keeping your workspace private and uncluttered. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your desktop. When the app launches, make sure you're on the Home tab. If you open straight into a document, look for the Home icon or the word Home near the top left and click it to return to the starting dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation pane. Click Recent. This view shows your file history, including PDFs you've opened or forms you've worked on recently. If that left pane is collapsed, hover near the edge to reveal it, or click the small arrow to expand it. To remove a single item from this list, find the document you want to hide, then right-click it and choose Remove from Recent. On a Mac without a right mouse button, hold Ctrl and click the file to bring up the same menu. As soon as you select Remove from Recent, the item disappears from your history in Acrobat Reader. Remember, the file itself remains wherever it's saved on your device or in your cloud location. Only the history entry is removed. If you need to clean up several items at once, you can do that from the same screen. In the Recent view, hover over each file and click the checkbox that appears next to it. Select all the files you want to clear. After selecting them, look to the right-hand Details pane. You'll see an option labeled Remove from Recent. Click that. Acrobat Reader will remove all the selected entries from your history in one go. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and approve the action. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you don't see the Recent section, you might be looking at a different filter like All Files or For You. Switch back to Recent to view your history. Interface layouts can vary slightly between versions, so make sure your Acrobat Reader is up to date if things look different. And again, removing from Recent is a visual cleanup step only. It won't affect the original documents. That's all you need to keep your recent list organized in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace neat with just a few clicks.